Welcome back to my channel. Here's my makeup look that I'm wearing today. Keep watching if you want to see how I got this look. I used one of the newish NYX Duck Plump glosses. This is a beautiful color. And if you want to see a full list of all the products that I used on my face today, you can always check the description box down below the video. I was at the store yesterday and I got a couple of makeup items that I've never tried. I got the e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist, so I'm going to use this to prime with. Ooh, it's very fine. Okay. Kind of smells like cucumbers, which isn't really my thing, but it's kind of a given the green. It also has one of those little, like the paint can balls in the bottom. I don't know why. Maybe just like for fun. It's very, very fine. It is microfine. They were not lying when they said that. I got me some new lashes, and I also got one of the new NYX Duck Plump glosses. When I say new, this has been out for a few months, but it's on the newer side. This is a red one. I don't really want to do two. My last video was a red lip look. I don't really want to do two red lip looks in a row, but that one's a matte lip. This one is glossy, so because I do want to try this. I swatched it yesterday on my lips to see how plumping it was, and like if it burnt really bad, and it does. I'm starting with foundation. I'm doing a light layer of the CoverGirl Outlast All Day. This is a pan foundation. I have it in the shade 405 Ivory. Doing some under eye concealer next. This one is by e.l.f. This is the Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I have the shade Fair Warm. Now I'm setting all the cream products with a bit of loose setting powder. I went ahead and did my eyebrows, and I've been working on them for like 15 solid minutes because they weren't doing what I wanted them to do, and I kept they might look okay now, but they definitely didn't a minute ago. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to stick to this Too Faced palette, the Pretty Rich palette. And I'm sticking to like some pinks. Out of here, I'm doing just like a kind of a light pinky, maybe a little bit glittery. I'm going to start with the shade Princess Cut. It's kind of a mildly glittery rose gold. And I'm just kind of blending this into my crease. I'm almost up to my eyebrow. I'm also taking the same pink shade and I'm running it along my lower lash line. I'm going to grab this deep brown shade called Oh That's Rich on the same brush, and I'm tapping this onto the outer corners of my eyes. I'm also tapping it into my crease, and then I'm lightly blending. As I'm blending this out on the outer half here, I'm kind of dragging it like up towards my eyebrow here to where instead of it being like an actual half circle, it kind of angles out there, but like very vaguely, obviously. I'm not trying to create like a wing. Take some more of that darker brown shade. I'm using the same brush for like basically the whole look. This is the Eye Contour brush by e.l.f. I like it. It's short. It's not a good blending brush, but it's good for like packing the shades on. And then if you need to like very subtly blend something, it's good for that because it's kind of stiff. And I'm just packing a little bit more of this onto the outer corners, just to keep it like dark brown there. And then I'm not blending with the brush. I'm kind of dragging it forwards with my finger. And then I'm going back in with Princess Cut, the first one that I did, on my finger. Put this all over the front half of my lid. Blend it into the brown on the back there. This is quite a glittery shadow. I'm getting a lot of fallout from these just because of the glitter. And then I want to put even more glitter on top. So I'm going with this pressed pink glitter called Diamond Glitterati. A little bit of this on my finger. This is like a beautiful like rose gold almost. For my I took a brush, I put some powder on it, and I just swept away the fallout. There's still a little bit of glitter that just kind of sticks, but I got the majority of it. I'm going to do some blush next. This is by Ciate London. It's the Marbled Light Blush in the shade Dusk. Highlighter time. I'm going to use the shade Clutch Your Pearls from this Too Faced palette. I'm going to do some lashes. These are ones I got from Walmart when I went yesterday. These are by Kiss. They're really pretty. I always try to find the lashes that have like the longer on the outer edge, because that's the type of look I like to go for. The glue fell. My glue fell. These are like Halloween special edition lashes. There's nothing special that makes them Halloween. Sometimes they'll have like glitter on them, but these don't. But they're limited edition, so I don't know if they're ones that you know, they sell without the Halloween packaging during like normal times. But the number is HLL17. That's the style, I believe. So I'm gonna go and put these on real quick. I like these. These are really nice. I think I need to shorten them just a little bit, cut a little bit off the ends there, but because they go a little bit longer than my eyes. But for now, they're just fun and they're really pretty. Last but not least is I'm going to do my lips. So I'm doing a bright red lip, of course. I'm using the NYX Duck Plump gloss in the shade Hall of Fame. Before I do the gloss, I'm going to line them with the NYX Line Loud lip pencil in the shade On a Mission. I didn't fill them in with the lip liner because I want to see how opaque this gloss is. So I'm going to just put this on top. It's very, very thick. I mean, it immediately burns my tongue. I think the last step is I'm going to spray a little bit more of the e.l.f. setting mist to seal everything all in. And I also, when I was doing my false lashes, I also put a little bit of mascara on the lower lashes as well. That completes this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. If you want to see more content from me, I post videos twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays.